Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon H. And we'll continue with les préfixes. So we just made a video before and it was concerning le préfixe IL, and in this lesson we'll see le préfixe IM. Okay, so when we're talking about prefix, we're talking about letters that you will add at the beginning of existing words, and by adding these letters you will modify the meaning of the word. Okay, so let's see now. And in this lesson, well, by adding this em at the beginning of existing words, in most of the cases they will start with p. Okay, just for your information, by adding this em you will modify the meaning, and it will mean privé de or sans. Okay, that is the result that you will get by adding this em. Okay, so let's see now a few examples. The first one is pair. Okay, so the meaning is even, and then I just put some numbers to make it clear that we're talking about numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so pair, and then if you want to express the without, so you will use this impair. Impair. So you put em, and then after that, the rest, impair. Okay? Pardonnable. Pardonnable. Same rule, same way of working, em in front, impardonnable. Impardonnable. Parfait. Parfait. Exactly the same. Imparfait. Imparfait. Pensable. Pensable. And then it goes all the time the same way. Impensable. Impensable. Poli. Poli. Impoli. Impoli. Possible. Possible. Impossible. Impossible. Précis. Précis. Imprécis. So you can see that it's all the time the same technique, so you just add this em in front. Imprécis. Probable. Probable. Improbable. Improbable. Prudent. Prudent. Imprudent. Imprudent. And that's it. Keep in mind that when you add this em at the beginning of all the words, you will get the nasal sound un. Okay, you don't pronounce the m, but it goes like un. Okay, so that's quite important to remember. If you want more videos, then it's here, youtube.com/imagier, and then please like me on Facebook. I will be so happy, and more material can be found there, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.